Okay, folks, so a lot of people get stuck if they haven't used Zoom in a while or they just forget. So I'm going to show you how to share your screen because inevitably you'll be in a meeting and someone will say, "Hey, can you just share your screen?" So over here, you've got to maybe move your mouse up and down a little bit, but when you do it correctly, this little toolbar appears at the very bottom. And down here is where you can start your video. Over here is your microphone. And you can even change your microphone, but test your speaker and microphone. So click that. You'll see how that works. But back to our main point, how do you share your screen? See that little button right there? Share screen? That's the one. This window is going to pop up. It may not be on your main monitor. You might have to look at another monitor, but you're going to choose the monitor you want to share. And then you're going to hit the share button down here on the bottom right, share. And now you're sharing that screen. Now there's another little thing here called stop share. So when you do that, you stop sharing and you give control back to the other person.